So I recently made myself a new pair of jeans using the exact same denim and sewing pattern and view as my very favorite pair of jeans that have sadly worn out and have holes in the butt. So I thought it was a really great opportunity to show you how denim can wear over the years. I'm Megan Nielsen. I'm an Australian sewing pattern designer. I design sewing patterns for everyday wearable pieces that fit into your lifestyle, not against it, that you can make yourself. So let's have a look at the jean. Okay, so let's start with the pattern. I used my Ash jean sewing pattern. This is a stretch jean sewing pattern, so you have to make sure that you're using stretch denim. I sewed this view, which is the slim leg jean. It's just a little bit looser than your classic skinny leg jean. So it's a nice transition if you're someone who is trying to move away from skinny leg jeans and you don't quite feel comfortable yet. The slim leg might be good for you. Okay, so let's start with the new jeans. So these are, my gosh, I've just realized that I've got a hole in these. Can you see that? No. On my brand new jeans. Oh my gosh, that's so annoying. Okay, all right. So, sorry. Let's pretend I didn't already damage my brand new jeans. Oh, that's so annoying. Damaging your brand new jeans you haven't even had a chance to wear yet is so upsetting. But anyway, these are my new jeans. This is what your jeans will look like immediately after you've made them, or something similar. This denim has absolutely no wrinkles. You can see it's really dark indigo. This is the denim that you will generally find when you are trying to find denim to make your own jeans with. A lot of the time people want to get denim that's already a bit distressed or has some sort of like acid wash or something. That can be quite hard to find in my experience. Those processing factories that do things like acid wash are constantly being shut down due to like environmental concerns. So you're generally going to find this really dark indigo denim, which I know is not necessarily what everybody wants. And you can try and distress this a little bit yourself. I do have a tutorial on my blog for some things that you can do to distress your denim to kind of make it a little bit worn in from the beginning. But the only way you're going to get that really sweet worn in look that everybody loves is by wearing your jeans. That's just the way it is. I've just cuffed them so you can see what the denim looks like on the inside. And as I mentioned, it's the slim leg. So I used a different top stitch and hardware than my original pair because it was fun. And I also put on one of my favorite leather patches, which I've almost run out of sadly, but I super love these. This denim is so comfortable and like super stretchy and comfy. So let's have a look at how it compares to my old pair. Oh my gosh. It's actually shocking to think that this is the same denim. So this is 7 or over 7 years of wear. This is brand new. The only difference between these two is that I've used different color hardware and different color top stitch, but this is the exact same denim. This is just 7 years of wear. So I just find it super interesting to see how much wear happens over that time. I feel like this is what people are going for when they're making their own jeans. So just feel confident that if you make something and it looks dark like this, if you keep wearing it, you are going to get to this point. Let's have a look at the places that this has worn. I have worn these jeans a lot. I've actually already had to mend them because I ripped a hole on the inside leg here. But one of the things I love is you can see these kind of whisker marks from all the times I've sit and walked. You've also got this like really great wear here on the inseam, which I just think looks really awesome. I still have the frayed step hem that has lasted really well. And you can also just see around the top of the waistband and all the way around the pockets and things, you get a little bit more of this like fraying and wear, and obviously like the color change. So on the back, if we move to the back, one of the things I really love is just when you get this kind of color difference from, you can see how much I've sat on these because the color is almost gone on the edges of these pockets, and also you can kind of see the seam allowance of the pocket here where it's been folded in, and I just think that looks really cool. It's obviously a little lighter here from where I've sat, and in fact I have worn these so much that I ripped a hole in the fabric in my upper thigh / bottom here, repaired these before traveling in them last year, and then by the time I got home I had actually already ripped another hole along that line, so I need to repair them again now. I have popped some stitches on my bottom. That's the only place the top stitch failed, was on this back pocket here and here. I guess I just sit a lot. I don't know what to say. But essentially, there you go. Everything still functions exactly the same. These work well. The zip has lasted really well. Pockets, still good. Lost a little bit of my overlock there. Not the end of the world. But otherwise, everything's lasted really well, and I just really love the level of built-in wear here. If you are looking to get this look with your jeans, it's just going to take time. So give yourself the time, embrace the process. You're probably going to start with this, but just let yourself wear them and enjoy them, and you will get here at some point. So I really hope you enjoyed having a little bit of a tour of the difference between my old worn-in indigo jeans and my fresh off the sewing machine indigo jeans that haven't had any wear. If you have any questions at all, please let me know in the comments. I can't believe how much these have worn after 7 years. It's just absolutely crazy. I still love them. They still fit fantastic. So I'm definitely going to go repair these so I can enjoy them a bit longer. So now I'll have 2 pairs of the same jeans. But if you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.